The DUOTTS OOTD T30 is a powerhouse among electric scooters, built to deliver exceptional performance, comfort, and reliability for riders who crave adventure and speed. Designed with dual 1600W motors and a robust 60V 31.2Ah battery, this folding e-scooter blends high-end engineering with rugged durability, allowing it to conquer both urban commutes and demanding off-road trails. With a top speed of 65 km per hour and a maximum range of up to 100 km, the OOTD T30 redefines what an electric scooter can achieve. At its heart, the OOTD T30 boasts a powerful dual-drive system with two 1600W motors that generate immense torque and acceleration. This setup allows the scooter to glide effortlessly over rough terrain, steep inclines, and long-distance rides, maintaining stability and smooth control even at high speeds. The result is a thrilling yet secure riding experience that combines raw power with refined precision. Complementing this power is its large-capacity 60V 31.2Ah lithium battery, which ensures long-lasting endurance on a single charge. With a range reaching up to 100 kilometers, riders can confidently explore further, whether it's a day-long adventure, an extended commute, or an off-road journey. The high-efficiency battery also ensures consistent power output, reducing performance drops even as the charge depletes. One of the defining features of the OOTD T30 is its 13-inch off-road tires, engineered to deliver excellent traction and balance on various surfaces. These oversized tires enhance ride stability and grip, making the scooter equally adept at handling city streets, gravel roads, or uneven mountain paths. Their robust build minimizes the impact of bumps and potholes, offering a smoother and more controlled ride. To further improve comfort and control, the scooter is equipped with a full suspension system. The front hydraulic fork and rear 1,500-pound spring suspension work independently to absorb shocks and vibrations, providing a stable, cushioned experience on rough or bumpy terrain. This suspension setup ensures the OOTD T30 maintains traction even when the road gets unpredictable, allowing you to ride longer without fatigue. Safety is another key aspect of the OOTD T30's design. The dual hydraulic disc brakes deliver precise and powerful braking performance, significantly shortening stopping distances and enhancing control during emergency stops. Compared to traditional mechanical brakes, these oil-based brakes offer smoother modulation and improved reliability in wet or dusty environments, making them ideal for off-road use. Built for strength and endurance, the OOTD T30 supports a maximum load of 200 kilograms, reflecting its solid frame construction and engineering excellence. Despite its robust build, it remains foldable and portable, offering convenient storage and transport when not in use. In every sense, the DUOTTS OOTD T30 stands as a symbol of performance and practicality combined. Its dual motors, superior suspension, and long-range battery come together to deliver a high-speed, high-comfort ride suitable for thrill seekers, commuters, and off-road enthusiasts alike. Whether you're blazing through trails, navigating city streets, or embarking on weekend explorations, the OOTD T30 ensures every ride is as powerful, smooth, and exhilarating as the last.